But for real, I just got an oil change on this, right? And I checked my oil, and this is what the oil looks like. Now, mind you, synthetic oil is darker. So if you don't be all conspiracy theory and stuff, synthetic oil is a little darker. Hey, what up, everybody? Do not get played. I ain't even lying. Don't get played. All right? Listen, one thing I can tell you is that not everybody cares about you. Not everybody's your friend, and not everyone's looking out for you, okay? Straight up. In real life, there are a lot of bad people out there, okay? People that want to rip you off, people that want to take advantage of you, okay? And if you don't know that, wow, I feel bad for you. All right, check that out. This is how I test my oil. Before I change my oil and after I change my oil, okay? Check this out. Now, as you can see, this oil is a little brown, blackish looking. You see that? And I just got an oil change. What do you think? Do you think this is clean oil? Give me your opinion. Mind you, this is a BMW, and if you didn't know, BMWs don't, a lot of newer BMWs don't have a dipstick. So you can't even change how much oil you have. You got to rely on a computer, which is fine. Except if the company doesn't want to change your oil. See, I came in for an early oil change. I still had 2,000 miles left on this thing, and I came in, I'm like, yo, just change the oil. They're like, really? You don't need to. I'm like, just do it. I'll pay you. So all of a sudden, the car comes back. Quick. I mean, quick. That car was back. And I know how to reset the sensor in this car. It's real easy. You go to a computer, switch it off, and push reset. So anybody can do it. So, and I opened this up. I'm like, can I check my oil? Is there a dipstick? They're like, no, there's no dipstick. Okay, so I went like this. Drip, drip. And I looked at my oil, and look what it looks like. So, and especially BMW, if you have a BMW, they put a special blend of synthetic oil, whatever. So, in my personal opinion, they did change the oil. But it's pretty close. It's pretty close. Look at that. Anyway, so you want to be safe before you change your oil. Just do what I do. Go like that, open this up, and just make a small drip, right? And then after you change the oil, check it again. It's real simple to do. A lot of companies know, a lot of guys making $10 an hour changing oil know that they don't have to change your oil. They don't necessarily have to change your oil. They know you can go 30, 40,000 miles on that oil change, as long as you keep adding oil if you need to. But you can go 30, 40,000 miles on a single oil change. They know this. And they figure, well, somebody else will do it. Right? And they don't care about it. They figure, well, you got some money because you got a nice car. Well, no. People work hard for their stuff, okay? Most of you know that BMW oil change, they ain't free. It ain't no $19.99 oil change. It's $100 oil change. What up? So what I'm trying to say is just be careful. Especially the Jiffy Lube and the Valvolines and all these other $19.99 specials. Dude, they don't care about you. They're making $9 an hour. You think they care about your vehicle? They just want to get you in and out and take your money. Peace. Not everybody. Most are honest. But you got to watch your back. Not everyone's looking out for you. You gotta look out for you. Holla at me. Thumbs up this video. Peace. God bless. Love you.